Alright, this is how to assemble your knob. When it comes to the kit, you'll have your PCB, you'll have your bearing, and you'll have your 3 keys. Also, inside the bearing, you'll have your magnet. That is what tells the dial where its position is. Before you get started, go ahead and pull that magnet out of the bearing, right there, and it's going to get pressed into this small plastic piece. So, place it on there, and I'm going to use this set of pliers. Should stick to one end like that. The small hole here on this side, go ahead and put it there, and press it in as even as you can. Just like that. That's all you should need. Now, take that and press that into your dial, just like that. Now, take the bearing out, and the bearing gets pressed around the outside of the dial, like that. Take out PCB. The PCB is pressed in like this. This side first, then the bottom, and then press in the area where the keys are first, making sure it's even. Make sure it's fully in on all sides. Once you got that in, you can take your dial. That gets pressed into the top, like that. Make sure it spins freely. Now you take out your keys. There's 2 pins on each side here. The pins go away from you, like this, and just press into place. Let's repeat that for all of them. Knob comes pre-programmed, so there's nothing else left to do. Once you get this assembled, you can place it on your desk and plug it in with a USB Type-C cable. If you'd like to change the code is open source, and you can find that through my website. Hope you enjoy, and if you have any questions or feedback, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'm always open for new input. Alright, enjoy!